everybody. Hey, we're gonna head over to Jimmy Lynn's Blossoming Juice Tea Shop. I'm really hyped today. It's gonna be the first time I'm checking it out actually, and I'm excited to try all the drinks.
Jeez, yo, me too, man. It's gonna be my first time in an Asian place like this. I'm an Asian tea or whatever. So Noah, where's this tea place at?
Yo, so it's actually pretty close to like my grandfather's place. I think it's like Midland and Shepherd.
Okay.
Yeah, so a little bit out in Scarborough, or Markham.
Nice, nice.
So yo, I checked out his menu and there looks like there's over like 24 drinks to try from. All unique. All of his ingredients are like super premium from like all different parts of the world. It's not just Canadian honey that they get, you know, they get like some crazy like Egyptian honey or some shit like that. Cause you know, the bees over there are different.
Oh yeah, the Egyptian bees, eh? Jimmy, we have arrived. So you haven't seen this yet, eh?
No, I haven't, dude. First time.
Damn.
Here we go.
Jimmy's spot. Jimmy's at work, bro. Yo, Jimmy, we're doing a vlog.
You're gonna hook up some drinks, huh?
Yeah, sorry, it's gotta do my schedule.
Oh, that's not good, dude.
Well, it's good, yo.
Yo, it's time to give us the grand tour, bro.
Alright, these are our plants. We water them every day.
Nice.
You know, some things are artificial, but life is artificial sometimes. You know?
Ooh, the Jimmy talk, yo, the Jimmy knowledge.
Here, we're COVID friendly, you know?
Oh, yeah, I got the plexiglass.
I hand roll these myself.
You hand rolled all of them?
On all the,
No, yeah. I do like the birds, yo. The birds add a nice touch to it. Nice mirror. Love yourself more. Blossoming juice. Hey, that's me. And we got the seating area.
Alright, so if you want to get romantic, you know?
Oh, nice.
If you're here to study, so we'll hooking it up.
Oh, what do we got? Oh, okay, we got power outlets. Is there a limit on how long people can study here for?
Alright, here's your drink. So this is a romantic encounter.
So that's mine, right?
That's yours.
Jeez,
Hey.
yo, so what's in this?
So you have white tapioca at the bottom.
Ooh.
At
Nice.
the top, we have our secret ingredient,
Ooh.
fruit tea, specially made.
Okay.
Damn, okay. So what's in this one?
So you have pineapple and banana at the top.
Damn.
You have raspberry at the bottom. And you have sparkling water in the middle.
Oh, that sounds so blessed, dude. You stepped it up. What type of sparkling water, yo? Yo, man's dropping the Perrier in this?
No way.
Right here, you gotta rub this for good luck.
Yeah, just rub it.
I'm just kidding.
Dude, that's amazing. I can taste the pineapple so much.
It's nice, huh?
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's like grapefruit, right? There's some citrus in here?
Raspberry.
Oh, dude.
We topped it out with a little bit of lemon.
Oh, that's what it is. Dude,
Mix mine up.
is this so bougie?
My bitches is bad and bougie. So how many of these do you have per day while you work here?
I don't.
What was this one called? A romantic encounter?
Yeah.
Oh, you know we having a romantic encounter today, yo. Yo, I was blessed. That's blessed.
It's nice, huh?
What flavors are you getting?
Fruity. Also tapioca.
This almost tastes like a smoothie tea because of the amount of fruit in it.
Yeah.
Like I really like the mix of the banana, pineapple, and lemon.
Yeah, this shit is hella aesthetic, yo. So what's gonna be here?
I actually have like these photos that I need to like put up,
Okay.
but I just haven't bought the frame yet.
Yeah, that's the bougiest handicap sign I've ever seen in my life.
Where? Oh yeah.
Bro,
Whoa, it just went red. Woohoo! Oh, yo, this is
marble.
bro. This is bigger than some people's bedrooms in Toronto.
I'm in here.
Oh, he's gonna show us one more trick, yo.
Get away from it. So this is an handicap sign, good. So and it locks by itself.
Right.
Nice.
Good. And then once you're done,
Whoa.
Touchless, baby.
Damn.
Before COVID even happened.
Wow. So how often are you here per week?
I'm here every day, but
Like 7 days?
yeah.
Damn.
Like 12 hours, 7 days.
Say on this one, never give up. I
No one
will,
never
yo.
give up, bro.
Yo, I'm writing
Yo.
a review for them right now, yo.
Nice, nice.
Me and my girlfriend.
That's me. So Noah, what's your review on
Yo, it's
Jimmy's tea spot?
It's actually amazing. I love all the ingredients because they use fresh fruit. Yo, the teas are really, really great. It doesn't seem like there's any added sugar. The washrooms are really nice.
Wait. Maybe one more review, but without the shirt? So regroup at Forteau's?
Yeah.
All right. You're not gonna ditch us?
No.
He just drives right home.
All right, peace, yo.
So happy, man. I'm so happy to be
Yeah, that's good, man. To think he wanted to go home.
Yeah, I crashed my drone.
No, you didn't.
Long time. How you doing? Good.
Hey, yo, thank you, JP. You got what you wanted, bro.
There's all I came here for, and my friends.
And the friends, yeah.
But mainly this. Cheers.
Cheers, boys. Hey. So, Eric, what you doing over there?
You filming right now? This guy's filming do this like at least 10 times at this point.
Yeah.
Okay, so like, this is the bourbon we have left from the college party on the weekend, but look how many old fashions I made over the week, and we fucking almost killed that bottle.
Nice.
And like, I couldn't find my measuring cup, so I have to use this shit, which is like way more fucking messy, but...
Yo, Greg, what's the Yelp review?
Yelp review? Fuck. It's lit. Just no complaints.
Yeah, no complaints, no complaints.
TripAdvisor, Toronto Life, whatever the fuck.
Yo, that's so high class, low life, bro. Hey, Darth. Hey, there you are.
Oh my gosh, Jinky.
Yo, he's so big. Holy. You want an old fashioned? Old fashioned?
Oh, her eyes. Give me a nice.
Aww. She probably doesn't even know what a cat is.
Yeah.
Like, what type of dog are you?
Thank you, man. This is Spirulina.
That's so funny. We're getting rain. Damn, son.
Yo, that's a nice maroon shirt, but you know it'd be nice if you just take it off.
That looks sick. That light is sick. The blue one. Like, look how fucking vibrant it is.
This guy's sauce, dude.
Hey, Darth. Hey. Ah, the food. I caught that. I like how you have like the case for all the camera gear. It looks like the for sale case at like a camera store. The G Daddy! Jeez, this guy on the EOS R now? EOS R with the monitor? Damn, son.
Professional shooters.
G Daddy right here. Yo, we got Thelonious G Daddy.
Professional shooters.
Yo, you know Teslas don't have a new car smell? They have a Elon Musk.
Yo, this guy put his monitor upside down, yo, and he doesn't give a f. Yo, still shooting like that.
What's your
You can actually hook it up to your TV and you can have like
Noah's like, what do I do with this? What do I do with this?
Yo, this is not promo. This is great value.
This is great value.
Hey, how about this one, yo? MGD.
Oh my god.
It should come out like this. Yo, Eric, look sad. Look sad, Eric. You pushed me to the edge. All my friends are dead.
All my friends are dead.
Where are you? And I drink MGD. Where are you? I'm so sorry. Hey there, Delilah, Lila, pretty Lila.
I should feel safe with you.
Thank you.
Alright, guys. Thank you for having us.
They will now.
It's actually so much
Peace to you. Peace, Dave. You reaching? Alright. Bye, Everest.
Bye, Everest. It was nice chilling.
She's like, get the fuck out.
Yeah.
What's that, bro? Jesus fucking dying so hard. You guys are goofy, yo.
Casey Neistat?
Yeah. Go home safe.
Peace, yo. Thanks for having us, man.
Monday.
You guys aren't eating.
Eric? Peace, yo.
Eric? Awesome today, man. Froggy?
Hey, Greg. Good seeing you, man.